Sri Akal, Adab, and Jai Shri Krishna. Well, I've come to this beautiful city of Ahmedabad, जहाँ के आप सब निवासी हैं, तो मैंने कहा मैं थोड़ी सी गुजराती सीख लेती हूँ। तो मैंने कुछ सीखा है, लेकिन मैं चाहूँगी कि आप सब उसका जवाब भी मुझे गुजराती में ही दें। चलेगा? Yes? Come on, I want to hear some noise. Yes, okay. કેમ છો? મજામાં છો? मेरा गुजराती सारू छे। Okay, brilliant. So मैंने थोड़ा ही मेहनत किया है आज, but I think I wasn't that bad. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, a very lovely good evening to all of you. I'm your host, your dost, is खूबसूरत शाम की हमसफर Meghna Kaushik. And on behalf of Quality Mark Trust, I want to extend a hearty welcome to all you lovely people. Thank you so much for taking out precious time from your busy schedule and joining us here this lovely evening. Well, tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is an occasion where we salute, we applaud, we appreciate all you celebrated champions in your own respective fields. And as you all know, Quality Mark Trust is a non-profitable trust that aims to recognize and promote people and services that contribute to health, safety, environment, and quality, making a difference not just to the society, but to our nation at large. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is a night when we are going to applaud your innovative efforts and your remarkable contribution. So basically, in short, आज इस शाम के सुपरस्टार्स हैं आप सब। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं आप सब सुपरस्टार्स के लिए। तो आइए इस धमाकेदार शाम की शुरुआत करते हैं। And I'd like to begin by giving you a little insight into what Quality Mark Trust is all about and also how important this evening is to all of us here in the form of a presentation, audio-visual presentation on your screens now.
Quality Mark Trust presents a unique innovation for industries of Gujarat. Quality Mark Award 2014.
Well, that's what makes Quality Mark Trust a leading certification agency in India. So yes, that calls for a round of applause. This evening would not have been possible had it not been for Quality Mark Trust. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to begin this evening by calling on President, Jury and Selection Team members on stage. Please, with a round of applause, help me welcome Mr. Hetal Thakkar, President, Quality Mark Trust. Mr. Naveen Chopra, Director, Agile Group, Process Audit Partner. Mr. R.L. Kabra, Director, BM Trada, Knowledge Partner. Mr. G.P. Mistry, Dr. Chetan Trivedi, Mr. Bijendra Agarwal, Mr. Y.K. Saxena, Mr. Girish Sharma, Mr. Bhupesh Sood, Mr. Deven Chet, Mr. Nishant Panchal, Mrs. Jagruti Upadhyay, Mr. Ashish Thakkar, Mr. Mitesh Thakkar, Mr. Dhruvin Rupapara, Mr. Rajesh Thakkar, and Mr. Nishit Patel. Can we have all our jury and selection team members on stage? And a big round of applause for all of them. They are the deciding faculty of who takes home awards tonight. And yes, I'll request all our shutterbugs to capture this Kodak moment in a group photograph. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's take this evening forward. And let me introduce you all, as sir has already done, but one more time, to Honorable Minister Shri Saurabhai Patel, Minister of Civil Aviation, Industries, Mines, Minerals, Finance, Energy, and Petrochemicals of Gujarat. A big round of applause. So may I please request you to come and join us on stage. Well, he's the dynamic personality of Gujarat who has completely changed the face of the state, making it the #1 state in all of India. A very warm welcome, sir. And if I may please request you to kindly say a few words for our awaiting audience.
Good evening.
And may I please request our special guest for this evening, the gorgeous Evelyn Sharma to kindly come and join us on stage. For those of you who don't know this gorgeous face already, that's right, if you hear that music, you know she was there in that film. From Yariyan to Jawani Hai Diwani, Nautanki Sala, Main Tera Hero, to name just a few. Gorgeous Evelyn is here this evening. Say a few words for all of us. Round of applause. And now I'm sure it's a popular demand, and I'm not the only one who's going to request Evelyn to show us some moves from that song. Thoda sa Bollywood tadka ho jaye na? Ho jaye na? A big round of applause, yeah. Evelyn, come on, yeah. You know the song really well. Just show some moves.
Only if you dance with me.
No.
Yeah,
My job is here.
Sir?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now let's straight away dive into our first set of awards this evening. And to join our two special guests, may I also request Mr. Hetal Thakkar also to come and join us here. So let's begin with our first award this evening, which is in the category Aromatic Products Fast Growing Export Organization. And the award goes to Jai Shri Aromatics Private Limited. May I please request Mr. Hasmukh Patel ji and Mrs. Roshni Patel to kindly come forward to receive the award. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this organization has been dealing with 100% overseas clients. And the growth of this organization has been phenomenal in the past few years. It has also received certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, Kosher and Halal. It's been honored by Business Gaurav Award as well. Manufacturer of more than 150 products. A big and hearty congratulations.